In this video, I'll show you how to add an unsubscribe link to your Brevo emails quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Brevo account and heading to the campaigns section. From there, go to settings and select default settings. Look for the default campaign settings area where you can edit the footer of your emails. In the footer field, add your unsubscribe text, making sure to enclose it in curly brackets. For example, unsubscribe here. This tells Brevo to make it a clickable link, allowing recipients to opt out easily. Once done, click Save to update your default settings. Now, every future campaign will automatically include a clear, compliant unsubscribe option. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link, keeping your campaigns professional and regulation friendly. Like, subscribe, and make your Brevo emails fully compliant.